Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the basics out of the way quickly. Charge the Nokia to at least half, remove the SIM and any memory card, and back up what you can. Once done, locate the phones and may print it under the battery or on the box. Make sure you have proof of ownership ready. Now open Settings and go straight to Restore Factory Settings to start the official wipe process, which will remove user PINs but erase all data. If you cannot reach the Settings menu because the phone is locked, do not attempt unofficial bypasses. Instead, call Nokia support or take the device to an authorized service center. Explain you need a factory reset or master code. They will verify IMEI and ownership, then perform an authenticated reset or reflash firmware. This approach prevents illegal access and protects warranty. Make sure to request an itemized. Once the official reset is complete, power on and set a new memorable PIN. Consider a simple pattern you will remember and record recovery info securely. Reinsert the SIM and micro SD, then restore contacts from the SIM or your backup. If the device still behaves oddly or the reset fails, go back to the service center and request a diagnostic and firmware reflash. Make sure they log what they did. Troubleshooting tip: if a reset stalls, a certified technician should complete the repair to avoid permanent lock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.